these colors from LED lighting. In this video, I will show you how to install solder-free Endcap and solder-free Endcap with cable of LED NEON T1615. Okay, this video I have shown you how to install the solder-free Endcap and solder-free Endcap with cable of top bending LED NEON T1615. Next video, I will show you the operation for solder-free side bending S1220. Follow us right now and watch our next video.